Ever feel like your business banking is stuck in the Stone Age? Like you're wrestling with outdated platforms, hidden fees, and a lack of the tools you actually need to thrive in today's fast-paced world? If that resonates, then you're in the right place. Because in this video, we're diving deep into a modern banking solution built specifically for businesses like yours, Relay Bank. Now, you might be thinking, another business bank? What makes this one different? And that's exactly what we're going to unpack. Forget the generic promises and flashy marketing. We're going to get down to the nitty-gritty and explore the key features that make Relay Bank stand out from the crowd, offering a fresh perspective on how your business can manage its finances. Before we jump into the specifics, let's paint a picture of the challenges many business owners face. You're juggling invoices, payroll, expenses, and trying to keep a clear view of your cash flow, all while focusing on growing your core business. Traditional banks often add to this complexity with cumbersome processes, limited digital capabilities, and fees that seem to pop up at every turn. This can lead to wasted time, frustration, and ultimately, hinder your growth potential. Relay Bank aims to address these pain points head-on by offering a suite of features designed for the modern entrepreneur. They understand that time is money, transparency is crucial, and seamless integration with your existing tools is no longer a luxury, but a necessity. So, what are these game-changing features we've been hinting at? Let's break them down, one by one, and see how Relay Bank could potentially revolutionize the way you manage your business finances. One of the most significant aspects of Relay Bank is its focus on multiple business checking accounts. Unlike traditional banks that often limit you to one or perhaps two business accounts, Relay allows you to open multiple checking accounts, each with its own virtual or physical debit card. Why is this a big deal? Imagine being able to separate your operating expenses, marketing budget, payroll, and savings into distinct accounts. This level of segregation provides unparalleled clarity into where your money is going, making budgeting and financial tracking significantly easier. No more sifting through a massive transaction history to understand your cash flow, it's all neatly organized. Furthermore, these multiple accounts integrate seamlessly within the Relay platform. You can easily transfer funds between them, set spending limits on individual cards, and gain a holistic view of your overall financial health from a single dashboard. This granular control empowers you to manage your finances with precision and make informed decisions. Building on this foundation of organized accounts is Relay's commitment to fee transparency. How many times have you been hit with unexpected bank fees that leave you scratching your head? Relay aims to eliminate this frustration by offering a straightforward fee structure. They typically don't charge monthly account maintenance fees, transaction fees, or fees for ACH transfers. This predictability allows you to budget more accurately and keep more of your hard-earned money where it belongs, in your business. While specific fees might apply in certain situations, like international transactions or expedited services, Relay is generally upfront and clear about their pricing, fostering trust and eliminating unwelcome surprises. In today's digital landscape, seamless integration with your existing business tools is paramount. Relay understands this and has built its platform with robust integrations in mind. They connect with popular accounting software like QuickBooks and Xero, streamlining your bookkeeping process. Imagine your transactions automatically flowing into your accounting software, eliminating the need for manual data entry and reducing the risk of errors. This not only saves you valuable time but also provides a real-time view of your financial performance. Beyond accounting software, Relay also integrates with various payment processors and other business management tools, creating a cohesive ecosystem that simplifies your workflows. 1. ISSUU.com. ISSUU.com. Another standout feature of Relay Bank is its team access and collaboration capabilities. As your business grows, you'll likely need to grant access to your financial accounts to team members, accountants, or bookkeepers. Relay makes this process secure and efficient. You can easily invite team members and customize their access levels, ensuring that everyone has the permissions they need without compromising security. This collaborative approach simplifies internal processes and allows for better financial management across your organization. Moving beyond the core banking functionalities, Relay also offers powerful payment solutions. Sending and receiving payments is a fundamental aspect of any business, and Relay provides various options to streamline these processes. You can easily send ACH payments, wire transfers, and issue both virtual and physical debit cards for your team. Receiving payments is also straightforward, with clear and efficient processes. The platform is designed to handle the flow of money in and out of your business with ease. Security is, of course, a top priority for any financial institution, and Relay Bank is no exception. They employ bank-level security measures to protect your funds and data. This includes encryption, multi-factor authentication, and robust fraud monitoring systems. You can have peace of mind knowing that your business finances are safeguarded with industry-leading security protocols. Furthermore, Relay Bank often emphasizes its commitment to customer support. They understand that when you have a question or encounter an issue, you need timely and helpful assistance. While the specific support channels and response times may vary, their focus is generally on providing responsive and knowledgeable support to their business customers. This can be a significant differentiator compared to traditional banks where customer service can sometimes feel impersonal and slow. Let's take a moment to recap the key features we've discussed. Multiple business checking accounts. Organize your finances with dedicated accounts for different purposes. Fee transparency. Enjoy a clear and predictable fee structure with no hidden surprises. Robust integrations. Seamlessly connect with your favorite accounting software and other business tools. Team access and collaboration. Securely grant access to team members with customizable permissions. Powerful payment solutions. Easily send and receive various types of payments. Bank-level security. Protect your funds and data with industry-leading security measures. Commitment to customer support. Receive timely and helpful assistance when you need it. Now, it's important to note that Relay Bank, like any financial institution, may have its limitations or areas where it might not be the perfect fit for every business. For example, businesses that heavily rely on cash transactions or require extensive in-person banking services might find Relay's primarily digital platform less suitable. Additionally, while their integration ecosystem is growing, it might not yet support every niche software or tool. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.